You may have heard of things like little free libraries where you take a book and leave a book. In North Iowa, they're doing something similar with food in an effort to combat food insecurity. North Iowa Mutual and Aid started installing community fridges in the area. Most recently, one was placed in the Mason City area at the Prairie Ridge Drop-In Center.
But we represent a 9-county region in North Iowa, and just in that 9-county region, approximately like 8% of the people are experiencing food insecurity, meaning they don't have enough food to just make it through the week or the month or anything.
Anyone can donate and take food, no questions asked. Prairie Ridge officials say the fridge is a perfect addition to the help that they provide.
We have a lot of people that come here asking for different resources, and food is one of them. As we all know, there's been an increase in grocery prices and a decrease in assistance since the with COVID and kind of all those extra benefits going away recently.